Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. 2016 Scion IA reset that maintenance warning light. I just did it and I want to show you where it is located because somebody changed the oil for her and they said they reset it, but she still had right here that orange wrench. So, how it's done on 2016 Scion IA, you are not using any of these, you are not pushing that trip reset and change, you are not looking here, it's all in applications. So you have to get in this and go in application. You go in maintenance, and I just did all of that, and the people who were doing that oil change, they went only for the oil change. They did reset it, you can see it hopefully, but the range was still there because you have to also reset the tire rotation. It was reset. I hope you can see it, it's kind of hard to see. And you also have to reset the scheduled. If you don't do it, this is what happened to her. She came here for a different job for the brakes, but she said, hey, I'm tired looking at this light in my dashboard. Once again, it was right here. It was a wrench, orange wrench. So it is in applications on this little cute display. I hope you find this video helpful, and please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way about Toyotas soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.